Another organizational feature that you may want to take advantage of inside of the library module is called quick collections. One of the things that you can do as you're working through your images is you can add your images to the quick collection by pressing the B key. So I'm going to go ahead and press the B key, and you'll notice that in my catalog panel I now have one image inside of a quick collection. Well, why would I actually want to create a quick collection? Well, let's say in this particular case that I photographed this family, that one of the things that I'm going to need to do is to give them an entire set of photographs. But I decide that before I actually give them all the images, I'm just going to pick maybe 2 or 3 images that I can email them quickly. So in that case, I'm going to add these images to this little quick collection. So I'll go ahead and add a couple others to the quick collection here. I'll click on an image, press the B key. What I'm doing is I'm just looking for images that I think are kind of fun and perhaps images that I think they're going to enjoy. So I'll go ahead and scroll over and find another image, and then let's say select one and press the B key. A little bit different images, yet nonetheless could be kind of fun to email them to the client, in this case the family. Well, what we can do next is we can then click on this option here to view the quick collection, just these 3 images. And what we could do with these images is I could then export them from Lightroom, and we'll talk about exporting later, and then send them off to the client. So what you can see is that quick collections give you the ability to group your images, as the name implies, really quickly. Now this is a temporary set. In other words, if I were to close Lightroom and reopen it, this quick collection would be back to 0. There wouldn't be any images inside of it. So again, think of this as a way to temporarily group or organize photographs. Now, you may want to do this for a number of different reasons. Again, perhaps just to evaluate certain images, or to send them somewhere else, or perhaps to organize them in a little bit more of a concrete way. In other words, what you could do is you could then convert this quick collection into a regular collection. Well, let's dig a little bit deeper into the topic of collections, and let's do that in the next movie.